Bubbles, bulging is not necessarily a problem with the machine. It may be these details you overlooked. Step 1. Check the base material. Is the dust, particles, or unevenness on the board surface? Step 2. Check the glue. Check whether the glue expired, crusty, or stringy. Use summer glue in the summer and winter glue in the winter. Step 3. Check the temperature and the humidity of the dust-free room. Keep the temperature between 23 and 28 degrees. The humidity between 50 and 70%. Step 4. Check the film. Check the film is smooth and flat. If the film doesn't adhere to the glue, try to use a curler machine. Make sure the rolling tension is even to avoid wrinkles caused by tightness on one side. Step 5. Machine adjustment. First, check the lamination machine's pressure to ensure it's strong enough and the correct height of the laminating roller. Second, check the board is not deviated during transport. Finally, clean scraper and adjust glue roller gap. If the problem remains unresolved, please contact our professional after-sales team for supporting. Thank you.